that you feeling that you ladies. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a blessed day because I am. Now I decided to film this video outside because it is nice and sunny. It feels good. If y'all been with me a while, then you know heard me say before, I love the hot, I love the sun, I hate cold, I can't deal with cold. I'm an anemia and I be cold all the time. So when the sun is out and shining, your girl is going to be outside, okay? All right.
Sometimes it's not a loss. It's just God helping you clean house.
I've been trusting God and Him only. I break bread with squad members only. I done came up, holy moly. Yeah. If you phony, don't approach me. I keep real around me only. Trusting God and Him only. I break bread with squad members only. I done came up, holy moly. Yeah. If you phony, don't approach me. I keep real around me. Need a budget, got one goal, got one focus. That's kingdom building in the rest. Trusting God and Him only. I break bread with squad members only. I done came up, holy moly. Yeah. If you phony, don't approach me. I keep real around me only. Trusting God and Him only. I done came up, holy moly. Yeah. If you phony, don't approach me. I keep real around me only.
Alright, y'all. So anyway, in this video, I just wanted to go through and show y'all what I got for Christmas. Like, I'm going to be unboxing these items that I received from Christmas to let y'all see what I got. Now I know I uploaded my Christmas video of me and my family members opening up our Christmas gift. But I know during the video, you know, I sped through a lot of it because I didn't want it to be so long. And I kind of broke it down bits and pieces. So I felt like that, hey, I want to come back and just show y'all what I got personally for Christmas. Alright, naturally. Yeah, in case you wondering how I did this extension hair, then you can check out the video that I recently uploaded, which I show y'all how I did this quick glue in with this weave extension hair. Yeah, like for some reason when I have my hair like this, I think I can sing. Okay, y'all, so anyway, so that started off with the first item, which is what my husband brought me for Christmas. And you probably seen me in that video. I actually broke that down. I kind of gave him a little kiss because I was just so happy that he brought me this particular item. And if you've been on my channel for a while, then I mentioned this before that I love this particular brand, which is the Pioneer Woman, and it's the knife set. It says 14 pieces. Can y'all see? Like, I hope the sun is not interfering with this video, y'all, because I wouldn't know. So I actually edited it, and you know. But let's go ahead and open this to see like what's all in here, y'all. Like, I really love the Pioneer Woman. I love her cookware. I love all the way down to her spoons. I just love her cookware. These little things with the popping. Sometimes I still popping. Okay, so there it is. It says the Pioneer Woman on it. And it got a little section where you put your knives and everything, which I think is so cute, y'all.
Mommy.
So cute, y'all. And it got the little things at the bottom, so probably sit good on my cabinet without even moving like that. I'm gonna have it pushed way back on the cabinet. The kids cannot reach it. My cabinets, you know, kitchen cabinets are tall. Stop! Shouldn't be trying to mess with the camera, y'all. Go play. Go get in your car. Go get in your car. Stop. Stop. Go get in your car. Go get in your car. Car. Oh, boy, I got thirsty. Sugar. Sugar. But ain't this cup is so cute, y'all. Like it's really, really cute, y'all. It's a Pioneer Woman cup as well, y'all. Don't be laughing at me saying this girl is obsessed with Pioneer Woman. I just think her designs are cute as well. Like they are so cute. But this was not given to me as a gift, y'all. I actually brought this myself when I was going Christmas shopping, and I seen the cup, and I was like, yeah, this is cute. I want it. And in case you don't know who I'm talking about, but this is her, the Pioneer Woman. She has a TV Food Network channel, TV show on the Food Network channel and everything. And I just love to watch her. I follow her recipes and everything, y'all. Alright, so it's still a 14-piece set, so this is 2 of them. Alright. So, I don't know if I'm going to open the paper of it. I opened maybe a couple of them. I'm not. Oh, well, the paper goes back on. Okay, well, that's good. I thought I was going to have to just open it. That's why I was like, I don't know if I'm going to open all of them. Okay, and they got the little grip thing on it to protect from you cutting yourself or anything. So that's good. But this is how this knife is looking. And it got her signature Pioneer Woman on it. Can y'all see it? Okay. Sugar, stop. She sees the cord connected to the camera. Alright, so really cute, y'all. This is cute. And I always say that I wanted this set. I just didn't take out time to buy it. And I guess my husband remembered that I wanted this set. Because even for Black Friday, they had the set on sale. But it wasn't the whole box. It was like, I don't know if y'all seen the video I posted of me and my husband doing Black Friday shopping. And if you went to Walmart for Black Friday, you probably seen that they had 2 sets. I guess Walmart put together. I don't know. But it was like, it was a square shape and it had different items in it. So one of them had a couple of knives. I don't know how many it had. I know it wasn't like the box with 14, so it probably had about 6 knives in there with a chopping board with it. Something like that. So I was like, oh man, that's what I intended to buy. But at the Walmart that I was at, they sold outside. Getting the other Pioneer Woman said they had the measuring cups and everything. It still came with the chopping board. So that just was amazing. But yeah. So there are different sizes. Well, so I miscounted something, y'all, because it said 14 pieces. but all I got is like 12. Let me look at the box because I don't know, like, okay, the box show you everything, what it is. Okay, you got 6 steaks, 6 steak knives, that's what it says. And then you got a kitchen shield, a sharpener there. Oh, it's a sharpener. Oh, that's what that thing is. That's what it says, y'all. The little long thingy with Jiggy I pulled out. Y'all see? Yeah, it say that it's y'all probably can't see because it's alright, y'all, so I'm going to recount these knives set one more time just to make sure it's 14 pieces because my counting is off. It's 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we got 4. This one to come out the package. Okay, so there's 4.
Mommy.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 9, 10, 11. Alright. Another one. 12. Alrighty. So that's 12, y'all. 13. And where they go into is 14. So it is 14 piece knife set. And I am so happy and I can't wait to use this. So my sister got me a air fryer. Her and her husband got me an air fryer. And if you seen in that video, me and my husband got my sister air fryer. Which I know you like, okay, Pam, well, you got an air fryer, she got an air fryer. Well, stop, sugar. Stop. Let me hold it. Give me here. So I know what you're saying. Okay, so y'all bought each other air fryers. Okay. Well, her husband bought her an air fryer as well. So my sister and her husband got 2 air fryers because he bought her one as well. So yeah, but it's open because I'm gonna use my air fryer, y'all. I have already used it. Yes, I have, y'all. I couldn't wait. Like Krista was there Wednesday. So Krista was there Wednesday, and I think that Friday is when I went to store about some chicken wings, and I went on ahead and cooked it. She's gonna take this out, and this, you know, some of y'all probably already got air fryers, but in case you got one for Christmas, because I see other people Christmas videos and they too got air fryer. And just in case you don't got one, you think about purchasing one or something, your men want to purchase your wife's one, then this is how you do it. You just take it out and you put like the chicken and food in here. Put it in there, stick it back in, and then the timer you set to whatever. Now the chicken wings you cook on 30 minutes. I really like how it cooked. You couldn't taste the difference. You can taste that it's not greasy or anything, but other than that, it tastes just like fried chicken and everything. And if you've seen the Christmas video, then you've probably seen this too. She brought me some PJs, which I already took them out and started to wear them. And if you've seen the Christmas video, then my husband, he received some PJs as well. So yeah. So anyway, this is how they look. Like I said, I already done put them on. We actually put them on that same night because we all sat down and watched Queen and what's the name of the movie? Queen and somebody. But anyway, it was about are they husbands and wives, or were they boyfriend and girlfriend or something? But anyway, you know, they shot the police officer. They was on the run. So yeah, Queen and Slim. That's it, y'all. Queen and Slim. I actually like that movie, y'all. So yeah, so this is the shirt they came with. So yeah. And that Sugar still moving the camera, y'all. I'm so sorry. And Sugar, what are you doing? Janet. My daddy brought me a clock. So yeah. So I don't know like where he purchased it from or anything, but like my auntie actually brought me this. But I never thought about this. I always see it on TV a lot, or they show a commercial, but I never, like, I used to say, that might be good to have, but I never just took our time to say, okay, let me purchase one, or I'm going to purchase one. But I got one now, and it is a full vacuum seal. It's long, but if you seal it up. So I'm just going to give it a try. Probably my meats and stuff. So I wonder, do it comes with some, or do I have to purchase? Okay, so it came with some, but when I run out of these, they probably sell them separate at stores. I should hope so. So yeah, so I guess this is one of the silver vacuum bags. So yeah, so sis know that I like to try out products. I got my YouTube thing going on. So she decided to get me this holiday styling kit. ORS Curls Unleash Your Inner Stylist. So yeah, y'all. My sister bought me this for Christmas. I'm so anxious to try this. I never tried this product before, y'all. Never ever tried this product before, so I'm very anxious. So if you're not a natural beauty natural lady, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, so you won't miss any video. Just in case you miss this, like Pam, when did you did this? I miss it. Well, hit that notification button, okay? So you won't miss, and you'll know when I upload. You know, when I do certain things. Okay. All right, y'all. So like that button, comment below. Tell me what you think of my gifts and everything. If you have any question or comment, you can comment below. You can hit me. And I will see y'all in the next video. So thank y'all for watching. Be blessed. Until next time. Peace. Sugar. Careful for loud noise.